Examples of cybersecurity domains. The experts at Google created one of the first and most powerful domains within the broader cyber world of the internet. Billions of people use Google to search the web every day. Google has arguably created the world's largest data collection infrastructure. Google developed Android, the operating system installed on over 80% of all mobile devices connected to the internet. Each device requires users to create Google accounts that can save bookmarks and account information, store search results, and even locate the device. Click link in the description to see some of the many services Google currently offers. Facebook is another powerful domain within the broader internet. The experts at Facebook recognize that people create personal accounts every day to communicate with family and friends. In doing so, you are volunteering a great deal of personal data. These Facebook experts build a massive data domain to enable people to connect in ways that weren't imaginable in the past. Facebook affects millions of lives on a daily basis and empowers companies and organizations to communicate with people in a more personal and focused manner. LinkedIn is yet another data domain on the internet. The experts at LinkedIn recognize that their members would share information in the pursuit of building a professional network. LinkedIn users upload this information to create online profiles and connect with other members. LinkedIn connects employees with employers and companies to other companies worldwide. There are broad similarities between LinkedIn and Facebook. A look inside these domains reveals how they are constructed. At a fundamental level, these domains are strong because of the ability to collect user data contributed by the users themselves. This data often includes users' backgrounds, discussions, likes, locations, travels, interests, friends and family members, professions, hobbies, and work and personal schedules. Experts create great value for organizations interested in using this data to better understand and communicate with their customers and employees.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.